Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Azure DevOps and choosing the correct organization and project. This ensures you create the task in the right context. Once done, open boards and pick backlogs or boards depending on your workflow, because backlogs shows hierarchy while boards focuses on status. Make sure your team area and sprint are selected so the task appears for the right people. If you lack basic access, request it now to proceed without interruption. You click New Work Item or the plus New button and choose Task to begin. This creates a work item that teams track. Next, enter a clear title and a concise description explaining what to do and why, then set area path and iteration so it's planned into the right sprint. Assign the task to a person, estimate remaining work, add priority and tags, and link it to a user story or bug so scope and dependencies remain clear once work starts. You save the task and note its ID and URL so stakeholders can find it. Save or save and close commits details immediately. Once saved, track progress on the board by moving the card through states and updating remaining work as work proceeds, because accurate tracking keeps planning reliable. If the task doesn't appear, make sure to refresh the view, clear browser cache, and verify your team area and permissions. These steps resolve most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.